Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper miniature picnic basket. So for this activity, we only need three materials. Those are a rectangular strip of paper, a square sheet of paper, and some sellotape. So the first step is that we should take this square piece of paper and we should fold it in half. Next step is that we should fold it in half in the opposite direction. Now we have to fold all the four sides to the middle line. So after we're done with that, we have to fold all the four sides to the middle line and we have to unfold it back. So first I'm folding the first two sides and I'm unfolding it. Now I'm folding the other two sides. Now we have to open any two opposite sides. Next, I am folding both the two sides to the middle line. So the next step is that I am taking the top corner and I am folding it to the bottom corner in a way that the top corner touches the bottom corner to make a triangle. Like this. Now I am unfolding it and I'm doing it on both the sides, on the other side as well. Now I'm opening these two sides and I'm folding the paper to make a box. So now our box is ready. So we have to take a rectangular piece of paper and we have to sellotape it to the box like this. So I'm taking two pieces of sellotape. And now I'm taping the rectangular strip to the box. Now I'm taping it on the other side. Now our paper picnic basket is ready. So you can color it and stick gems on it to make it more beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!